Just one sweet potato with banana in this powerful juice, to boost immunity, lower high cholesterol, increase energy, improve skin and hair, improve bowel transition, heart health and much more. This juice with only these 2 ingredients will surprise you with so many benefits. When we talk about bananas, you already imagine that you can make a vitamin out of them, right? And if you mix it with sweet potatoes, isn't that a great idea? It may not seem like it, but this combination is real and will help you a lot. Besides a wonderful taste, this juice is an excellent idea for our organism. Especially for those who want to keep the body free from various conditions, such as colds and flu. Combining these ingredients, we can bring many benefits to our health, which many people don't know about. Before I teach you how to prepare this juice, comment on which city you are watching us. I will take advantage of this and pass on a message that is in John 3 verse 30, He must increase, and I must decrease. He who comes from above is above all. He who is from the earth belongs to the earth and speaks as one who is from the earth. He who comes from heaven is above all. When a person is converted or accepts Jesus, the ministry of the Lord grows. However, we need each day to tell the good news of Jesus so that many people can come to know Him. So folks, you will need 1 ripe banana, 1 medium sweet potato, and half a liter of water. Start by cutting the sweet potato into slices. Then peel it. Sweet potatoes provide a large amount of dietary fiber and protein. Besides being rich in vitamins A, E, C, K, and B complex. It is also rich in minerals such as zinc, calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese, and potassium. Now peel the banana and also slice it. The banana is known to be a fruit that helps control some gastrointestinal problems. It controls cholesterol, blood pressure, besides getting the body's defenses against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Now, in a blender, put the banana, the potato, and lastly, the water. Beat everything very well until it is homogeneous. And it's ready. Now just serve. Take it once a day, and enjoy all these powerful benefits. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. May God bless you and your family. Regards, and see you in the next video. Bye.